Hello everyone, I am Shubham Jain, an equity research intern with Insight Solutions. The topic given today was the impact of artificial intelligence on equity reports. Now, there are some pointers to be discussed in this. First point is automation of data analysis. The improved structures and AI, that is artificial intelligence, have improved the ways of how the data should be analyzed, and they save a lot of crucial time of the analyst in analyzing the data and gives them more detail and helps them to build more lucrative reports of a company. The next point is enhanced data collection and processing. Now, the AI models tremendously help an analyst to collect and research upon data that is not easily available and that is not very much handy for the analyst to gain on from some other websites. AI tools help to utilize the time and efficiency in order to collect the data and analyze the same. Next point is data integration and predictive models. Now, AI models help to form their own opinions and forecast about the equity reports and complement the analyst's opinion about the same in an efficient way by analyzing the data by their own methods, and helps in data integrity and integration in an efficient way. Next point is pattern recognition and regulatory compliance. AI models can be used to observe some similar kind of patterns in the data and build upon that in an efficient way and analyze the same to gain some useful insights on the data. Moreover, it also keeps in mind the risk factors and compliances being automated in the process itself, and really helps to analyze and form some valuable insights on the position of the company that is crucial in forming the equity report. At the end, it is ultimately necessary to have an understanding that both AI and humans are necessary. Neither AI can replace humans, nor humans are themselves only capable to analyze the reports in this dynamic world. AI should complement humans and humans should complement AI, and both should work together and go hand in hand. And that's all for today's topic, that is the impact of artificial intelligence on equity reports. Thank you.